trying to open a QBS file from your accounting department and QuickBooks isn't on your machine? This is a financial statement export that needs the right software to read. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access and work with these QuickBooks statement files. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted QBS files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. QBS files are statement files generated by Intuit QuickBooks, accounting software containing financial statement data such as profit and loss reports, balance sheets, cash flow statements, and custom financial summaries. They preserve the formatted statement layout with account hierarchies, subtotals, and period comparison columns as configured in QuickBooks reporting. QBS files are statement files generated by Intuit QuickBooks accounting software containing financial statement data such as profit and loss reports, balance sheets, cash flow statements, and custom financial summaries. They preserve the formatted statement layout with account hierarchies, subtotals, and period comparison columns as configured in QuickBooks reporting. For the QBS file type, Intuit QuickBooks from Intuit Inc. is a trusted and reliable source. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows offers only top-level details, so proper interpretation depends on the correct application. To bypass the file reading error, right-click the QBS file and choose Open With. Prioritize Intuit QuickBooks if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file association. If your QBS file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. We know the QBS format is specialized. The error means one key detail is missing. Let's run through our quick verification checklist to find it. First, opening in QuickBooks. Launch QuickBooks Desktop and use the Reports menu or file, then open to load the QBS statement file. QuickBooks displays the financial statement with all formatting, account groupings, and calculations intact. Modify date ranges or account filters to refresh the statement data from the current company file if needed. Next, exporting to Excel. Open the QBS statement in QuickBooks and use the Excel button or file, then export to send the statement data to Microsoft Excel. QuickBooks creates a formatted spreadsheet preserving the account hierarchy and calculated totals. In Excel, you can perform additional analysis, create charts, or reformat the financial data for external reporting requirements. Finally, printing or saving as PDF. With the QBS statement open in QuickBooks, use File then Print to produce a hard copy, or File then Save as PDF to create a universally shareable document. The PDF output preserves the complete statement formatting and is ideal for distributing financial reports to stakeholders, accountants, or auditors who do not have QuickBooks access. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.